so sick of being treated like shit. Do you understand? I mean, we're not animals. We deserve better. I am so sick that every single fucking job that I get, they keep pulling me and pulling me down, all right?
Do you remember how tiny she was? She fit in your hands. You promised me that you were gonna take care of us and that you were gonna be
Vanessa,
here. And
can you put Luna on the phone, please?
we weren't gonna end up like your parents. We weren't gonna end up like my parents. We were gonna be a family forever.
Just put Luna on the phone, please.
You promised. You promised me. You promised.
Just put Luna on the phone, please.
You don't care about Luna. You don't care that you hurt her. You don't care that you're breaking her heart.
Just put Luna on the phone, please. Just put Luna on the phone, please. Just put Luna on the phone, please. Just put Luna on the phone, please, Vanessa, please.
You're hurting her. I have to go, Lucio. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just put Luna on the phone, please. Vanessa.